Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of landing pages versus websites. It is super important for anyone trying to build an online presence or grow their business in 2025. If you've ever wondered which one you actually need, or if you're about to launch a new product, you want to start an online business or run ads, then this video will clear up all the confusion. We'll go over what each one is, the key features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, I'll give you a balanced conclusion on which one you should go for. A landing page is a single, focused page created for a very specific purpose, usually to get visitors to take a particular action. That could be signing up for a newsletter, downloading an ebook, registering for a webinar, or buying a product. Think of it like a high conversion page that eliminates all the distractions. There's usually no navigation menu, no other links, just one clear goal. Everything on the page, from the headline to the images and call to action button, is designed to guide users toward completing that one goal. Landing pages are widely used in marketing campaigns, especially when running ads from Facebook, Instagram, or Google. You don't want to send ad traffic to your full website where people might get distracted. You want to send them to a page built purely to convert. Now, a website, on the other hand, is a complete online platform that represents your brand or business. It's made up of multiple pages like your home page, about page, services page, blog, and contacts page, and each of these pages serve different purposes. A website gives visitors a complete view of who you are, what you offer, and how they can engage with you. It's not just about conversion, it's about credibility, branding, and long-term presence. While landing pages are like sprinting, quick and goal-oriented, a website is more like a marathon. It's your digital home base designed to build trust and provide ongoing value. Now, let us talk about the main features of the two, website and landing pages. We start with landing pages. Single conversion goal. The entire page is optimized around one call to action, like sign up or buy now. Minimal distractions. No navigation bars or external links. Everything keeps the visitor focused. High customization for campaigns. You can tailor each landing page for specific audiences or ads. A/B testing friendly. Most landing page builders allow you to test different headlines, buttons, and images to see what converts best. Integrated analytics and tracking. You can easily track leads, clicks, and conversions for your campaigns. Fast loading and mobile optimized. Since they're usually one page, they load quickly and work smoothly on any device. How about the features of a website? Multiple pages and navigation. Websites have structured navigation that helps users explore your content and services. SEO optimization. Websites can rank on Google through ongoing SEO, helping you attract organic traffic. Brand identity and design flexibility. You can customize your entire layout, branding, color schemes, and multimedia. Content management system. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace make it easy to add and manage content. E-commerce capabilities. You can add shopping carts, payment systems, and manage inventory if you sell products. Blog integration. Blogs help you share updates, educate your audience, and improve your SEO performance. Scalability. Websites can grow with your business from a few pages to hundreds over time. Essentially, websites are like the backbone of your online brand, while landing pages are like sharp marketing tools for specific results. Now, let us talk about the pricing. For landing pages, if you use landing page builders like Unbounce, Lead Pages, or Instapage, pricing typically ranges from $25 to $100 per month, depending on the number of pages, the leads or visitors that you get. Another good thing is you can also create landing pages within your existing websites if you already use platforms like WordPress. In that case, you might just pay for the hosting and the landing page plugin, which could be around $10 to $20 monthly. How about the costs of owning a website? They can vary depending on complexity. If you build it yourself with Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress, hosting and design tools might cost between $10 to $40 per month. But if you hire a developer or use professional templates, the cost could go up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars for setup plus ongoing maintenance. So overall, landing pages are kind of cheaper and faster to build, while websites require a bigger upfront investment but offer more flexibility and longevity. Now let us talk about the pros and cons. With pros first, landing pages. They are super focused on conversions. They are quick to create and launch. They are ideal for ads and promotions. They are easier to test and optimize, and they require less maintenance. How about the pros of owning a website? It is great for SEO and organic growth. It builds long-term credibility and trust and offers full control over content and branding. It supports multiple market goals and pages. How about the cons? For landing pages, it is not suitable for long-term branding and it has limited SEO potential. It can't host multiple offers or block content. And the cons of owning a website? It takes longer to design and develop. It can be more expensive to maintain, and it can overwhelm visitors if it's not structured well. So here comes the big question: which one is the best in 2025? A landing page or a website? Well, the truth is it depends entirely on your goal. If you're running ads, testing a new offer, or validating an idea, a landing page is the way to go. It's lightweight, focused, and built for conversion. You can launch one in a day and start collecting leads or sales almost immediately. But if you're building a business, you're growing a brand, or you want to appear professional and trustworthy, you absolutely need a website. It's your home base, the place people will visit to learn about you, read your content, and engage over time. So to sum it up, we can say you choose a landing page if you want quick results or you're testing a specific campaign, and you choose a website if you want long-term growth and credibility. If you're looking to try some platforms to build landing pages and websites, you may explore Unbounce, System.io, and Webflow. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.